Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add a new page onto your site on WordPress. So let's get right into it. Now, it's very easy to add new pages. You can do it right here from the dashboard. You might be even able to do it through the editor. However, the dashboard is the best place to do this. Now, what you're going to want to do to add new pages is to go to your left sidebar and click on the pages section. This is going to take you to all pages, and as you can see, here are all the pages on my site at the moment. And to add a new page, what you're going to do is go to the top next to pages, click add new page, and then that's going to enable you to add a new page. You're going to have to fill out some certain info. You can even choose the template if you want to use a certain template. You have featured templates, the about templates, gallery, services, contact, banners, etc. Really doesn't matter. I'm just going to add a blank page, and as you can see, now we have a title, which I'm just going to name test number 2 or number 1. It doesn't really matter. Add just some text. It really doesn't matter. And now that we have our text, we have this draft of a page, and you can save it as a draft if you're not ready to publish it yet. If you want to publish it at a later date, you can click this, or in my case, if you want to immediately publish it, just click here on publish, click publish again, and once you're done with that, your page will be published and it'll be indexed on your site. And now if we go into page, you can see the slug that is there for the page, and you can see who the author is, etc., etc. And that is pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.